welcome to One Hot Bite, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and I'm going to teach you today. We are going back to happy hour. It's Monday. We had a great weekend, but we need a little Bloody Mary to get a kickstart today. So we are going to make the ultimate Bloody Mary. And you guys know me if you've been to my channel, and those of you that are new, welcome, and you're gonna see what we do here. This ultimate Bloody Mary is coming in at 133 calories per serving. A typical Bloody Mary in a restaurant is gonna run you anywhere from 200 to 400 calories depending on what they put in it. So I'm gonna show you today, we're gonna do an awesome one, the ultimate one with all the fixings, but we're gonna keep it at about 133 calories. You can see, I'll show you what we're gonna put in it that gives it still the zest without all the calories. So let's get started. Okay, we have our glass. We're gonna go ahead and start with, if you're watching your sodium on your tomato juice, I didn't use a mixer or anything, make sure you do low sodium. If not, don't worry about it. Now, we're gonna give it that tang that we're looking for without all of the other ingredients. We want 1 tablespoon of pickle juice, just straight out of the pickle jar. Get a smidge more. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. Obviously you can do more or less. 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1.5 ounces of vodka. All right, a little fresh cracked pepper. Give it a little stir. Let's make our garnish. Okay, we have our toothpick. I like to do a little tomato. Of course, your green olives. A cornichon. Okay. And place this right over the top. A little parsley. Our celery. And there's your Bloody Mary. Oh, it wouldn't be a cocktail if we didn't have a sip and say cheers to you. Thank you all for being here. Let's try this awesome Bloody Mary. I'm gonna pull this out. Ooh, yummy and spicy. So you guys have the best week ever, and I will see you Thursday where we are gonna grind our own brisket and we're gonna make jumbo brisket meatballs. So I will see you Thursday. Have a wonderful week, you guys. All I know is thank goodness this has celery with it. It's pretty spicy. Very good.